Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to Assessors, your one stop solution for smart learning, and smart living. My name is Sehbaz Sultani. A new year has started, new hopes, new goals, new energy. But let me tell you something uncomfortable. Most people will waste this year too. Not because they are stupid, not because they are unlucky, but because they don't have discipline, systems, control over themselves. Episode 1 was about mindset, episode 2 was about skills and income. Today, episode 3 is about the most important thing, how you live your daily life. Because your daily routine decides your destiny. The big truth. Talent fails without discipline. Let me be very honest. I have seen talented people fail, intelligent people quit, skilled people remain broke. Why? Because talent works only when discipline supports it. Discipline is doing what is necessary when it is boring, even when you don't feel like it. Motivation says, I will do it when I will feel good. Discipline says, I will do it no matter how I feel. 2026 will not reward emotional people. It will reward disciplined people. Rule number 1. Win the morning, win the life. Let me ask you one simple question. How do you start your day? Because how you start your day decide how you live your life. Most people wake up and check phone, scroll social media, consume negativity. This steals focus, energy, confidence. Winners start their day with control. A powerful morning routine does not mean 5 a.m. club, complicated rituals. It means waking up with purpose, no phone for 30-60 minutes, silence, clarity moment. If you control your morning, you control your mind. Rule number 2. Systems beat motivation. Let me tell you a secret. Successful people are not always motivated. They are system driven. A system is something you do automatically daily without thinking. Example, fixed work time, fixed learning time, fixed sleep time. Motivation comes and goes, systems stay. If you depend on motivation, you will fail in bad days. If you depend on systems, you will succeed even in bad days. Build systems, not excuses. Rule number 3. Mental toughness, the real power. 2026 will test your mind. You will face slow progress, criticism, self-doubt, failure. Mental toughness means you don't quit when it's hard. You don't stop when results are low. You don't break when people doubt you. Strong mind don't complain. They adapt. Pain is temporary. Quitting is permanent. If you can control your mind, no situation can control you. Rule number 4. Health is non-negotiable. Let me say this clearly. If your body is weak, your dreams will be weak. Many people want success, but ignore sleep, exercise, diet. No energy, no discipline, no health, no consistency. You don't need a gym membership. You need movement, walk, stretch, exercise. A tired body creates a tired mind. If you want to win in 2026, protect your health like your future depends on it, because it does. Rule number 5. Time management is self-management. Everyone has 24 hours. The difference is how they use it. Poor people waste time. Average people pass time. Successful people invest time. Track your time for one day. You will be shocked. Time is not money. Time is life. Once wasted, it never returns. Respect your time and life will respect you. Rule number 6. Consistency over intensity. Most people work hard for 3 days, for 1 week, for 1 month, and they disappear. Winners do small things for a long time. Consistency means showing up even when bored, doing minimum on bad days, never stopping completely. Slow progress is still progress. Don't burn out. Build momentum. Big daily habits that destroy your future. Avoid these at all costs. Excessive social media, late night sleeping, negative self-talk, toxic company, zero planning. These habits silently kills potential. Fix your habit, or your habit will fix your future in the wrong way. The ideal daily routine. Here is a simple realistic routine. Morning, wake up, no phone. Light moment, clear plan for the day. Deep work, skill learning, focused execution. Evening, review day, light learning, calm activities. Night, early sleep, no screens before bed. You don't need perfection. You need structure. It was episode 3. In episode 4, we will go even deeper. How to win in 2026. Money, investing and long-term wealth thinking. We will talk about how to think rich before earning rich. Saving versus investing. Avoiding financial traps. Building long-term security. This series is not motivation. This is life preparation. If you watched this entire video, you are not average. Remember this line. Your future is created by what you do daily, not occasionally. 2026 has come. You can either prepare silently or regret loudly. The choice is yours. Like this video, comment I choose discipline. Subscribe to SS Wars. This is Shahbaz Sultani wishing you a powerful new year, and I'll see you in the next episode.